video, I will explain about the Mullion profile creation. Okay. So first of all, you can go to choose the file, new family, and you have to choose the Mullion profile. So here you can find out the property showing the profiles. So I just select this one. I can make a little bit more. So this is the center of Mullion. So interior, exterior, and center point. Okay, right. So I can go back to my create, choose the reference plan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Again, I will create one more. Right. Okay. So here, as usual, I can go to choose my dimensions. 1, 2, 3 equal, and 1, 2, 3 make it equal. These two lock. I can make it this one also lock. Okay. So this one I can make it Mullion width. Okay. And this one I just remove. So can make this two can manage from this reference. No need to lock this one. Now I can make it the label Mullion width. Can make around 100. Okay. Just remove this two. Make it 100. Okay. So this is now it's become 100, and I can make so on this one. Select this two. Make it MW1. Any name you can put it, no problem. So I can just go for 1:20 diagonals. 1:1. 1:5 is better. So it's now clear. Right? Okay. Now again, I need one more reference plan. Okay. Here I can choose this two, make it equal. But this one I just keep it separate. Here I can make it like Mullion length. Okay. 0, 2 like that. No issue. Now you can go back to here to put it on a 400. Make it this 50 and make it this like that. Okay, so you can able to control these things. And this one I can make it like MH02. Okay, make it like 30. So this measurement you can change it based on your vision. Now I can go back to choose my line. Now I can choose my rectangle. Let's make it like this. I'm going to alignment, lock. Don't forget to lock. Okay, lock is most important. Yeah. Now I can choose it. More line here. Can draw like 1, 2, 3. Now we can make it here or here and here. Now I make it split. I can connect this two. Okay, this is done now. Again, I can make it one more reference. So that here I make it the current one and here. And this one also I can use the same parameter. Now can create the line like this because I can make it alignment to lock. Okay, but now can use this one here, here, make it split. Right. Okay. So I did this. Okay. Yeah. So here I need to change one. I need to okay. This one I just delete. Okay. Here I can make it the different parameters. Okay. Can make the different parameter MH3. Those I can reduce and I can make it bit change. So the parameter will change now. Okay. So if you want, I can make it like 20. It's become 20. Okay. So I did this one, right? Okay. So the next video, I will explain to you how we can apply this vector mullions. Okay. Thank you.